In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Gumroad app not working. So if Gumroad application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Switch between the Wi-Fi or mobile data if you want. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if the application is still not working, there might be some bugs in the app. So in that case, what you have to do is update the Gumroad application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Gumroad. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Gumroad and tap on it. Now once you do that, in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, the bugs will be fixed and your application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Gumroad and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Gumroad. What you have to do is tap on this option storage and cache. Now right over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your application should start working. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. After that, the application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, you can simply try using the Gumroad application and you'll be able to do it. So that is how you fix Gumroad app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.